MPD offers coin cell holder evaluation kits covering their broad range of coin cell holders, including traditional holders, as well as retainers and gliders for different battery sizes. Coin cell holders are widely used, and the kits include holders for batteries from 10mm to 24mm in diameter, with horizontal and vertical options. MPD's Snapdragon holders are included in the kit as well, which adds a snapping cover to the retainer for maximum reliability. Retainers offer the lowest profile and use positive contacts that hold the battery in place on a PCB pad. Gliders are similar to retainers, but the battery is placed in a tray that locks into the retainer for a more reliable connection. Kits are available for surface mount and through-hole holders.